Good morning, girls. Today we have a new story, Reading Book Page 348, 351. All right, let's start. So it's reading, and the story is Your Word Up Close. Our story today is related to the science, okay? Let's start by a warm up activity, which is a picture prompt. Means I will show you some pictures and you will just say something about them. So as you see, these are cells. We cannot see the cells clearly by your eyes, but by using, for example, the microscope, you can see the details of the cells. As you see, this is a butterfly. Okay, do you know what is this, girls? Yeah, this is the head of the butterfly. I think this is the first time you see it. So when you look closely at the butterfly, you see different things. You see or you discover different things by looking closely at something. So by using the microscope, we see the details of things. The objectives of today, you will be able to discuss what you discover when you look closely at something, and we have to identify and use the new vocabulary. Okay, this is the introduction of the story. Take a closer look. The essential question of the week: what can you discover when you look closely at something? Of course, you discover new things and different things. These are our vocabs. As you see, we have 8 words: cling, dissolves, gritty, humid, magnify, microscope, mingle, and typical. Let's take them one by one. As you see in the picture, girls, the frog is able to cling to the tree branch, to catch. Cling, the word is cling, means to catch or to stick closely at something. Stick, to catch. This is the second one. As you see, we have a glass of water. When you put anything inside the water, it will dissolve. So as you see here, the tablet dissolves quickly in water, means to pass. The word is dissolve, means to pass into a liquid. So for example, what happened when you put sugar in a liquid or in a water? It will dissolve. Now, as you see, this is like a sand on the bottom of the feet. So the word is gritty. When you look like this, that means gritty. Gritty contains very small bits of sand. So this is what we mean by gritty. Now, humid. I like the tropical feeling of the moist, humid air. Humid air means to be wet. Wet means moist or full of water. To be wet, full of water, this is what we mean by humid. Now, as you see here, you look closely at something, means you can magnify that thing. So the word magnify means to make something look bigger than it really is, to make it clear by using the microscope. For example, you magnify things, you make them bigger, clear, and you see the details of these things. So this is what we use for magnifying things. It is the microscope. So microscope is a device or tool for looking at things that are too small to make them bigger. Then as you see, these penguins like to mingle. Mingle means to be together, to mix. Mingle means mix or come together. Now this is a weather. Freezing temperatures in Alaska are normal and typical. Typical means normal. Okay, I see this. It is not weird for me to see like this weather in Alaska because it's typical, means normal, showing the qualities of certain type. Okay, thank you so much.